Hi, welcome back. I'm Nahid from Unlocker, and today we're going to see how we can sign out the Apple ID from any iPad. So this iPad, if you try to sign out, then it asks for password. But if you forget the password, then how you can remove this account? So in this video, we're going to see that. So this is a iPad 9th gen, but no matter what the generation or what the iPad you are using, but the process is same to remove the iCloud. So first you have to go to iCloud and then click see all, and now you have to check your phone is eligible to remove the account or not. So you have to turn off and turn on the game center from here. So I turn off the game center, now turn on. So if your iPad asking password in this step, then you don't continue the video because your phone is not supported. But if the game center is turned off and turned on without asking password, then this method is for you. So my iPad is not asking for iCloud password here. So now you have to delete all the apps and the photos. So try to remove all the apps because the next process we have to back up our iPhone, and there is take some time if your iPad have lots of application and lots of storage on your iPad. So I recommend delete all the apps and all the photos. Okay. Now we have to visit our computer. So now we are going to see our PC screen. So right now you can see my PC screen, and I open a browser and you visit nunlocker.com and then make an account. And after that, place order IMEI service. And here you search i-activator, and then you can see the iActivator tool service. Now we choose iActivator open menu for iPhone and iPad, the fourth option. Now scroll down and you can see the download option on this tool. So you have to download the tool. I already download the tool. Now I open it, run as administrator. You must have to open like this, otherwise the tool not work properly. Okay. Now we have to connect the iPad. I connected the iPad, and you have to copy the UDID here. I copy the UDID and paste here, then place order. So after some time you refresh the page and you can see the UDID is registered. So now we can active the device. So now you have to again come to this iCloud page, and you have to turn on and turn off the game center 3 times. The tool is tool give you this instruction. So I am doing that. I turn on and turn off the game center 3 times. Okay, so last time. Okay. Now you have to turn off the Wi-Fi. You must have to turn off the Wi-Fi, otherwise it's not work. And don't turn on your Wi-Fi until your phone is successfully restored. So now I click start FMI option, and you have to wait some time here. There is actually very simple task. You have to just one click, and tool can do everything automatically. You don't have to do anything right now. You just wait to turn off the Find My device. For you, maybe this process takes some more time or some small time. It's depend on your backup capacity. If your backup is very small size, then it will be faster. That's the process. So my iPad backup capacity is 14 GB UC. If it's reduced, then it will be more faster. So it's now preparing for FMI off, and you will see a pop-up when it's success. Okay, so there you see the this Apple account is signed in 2 devices, and both are right now FMI off. So now I copy the serial number from the tool, and then I open my browser again and search FMI off check on the Google, and then scroll down and you can see iUnlocker website, and here you paste your serial number and click check. Okay, so there is showing our Find My device is off. iPad 9 generation Find My device successfully off. So we are ensured that is Find My device is off. Now we can reset. So open 3U tools. It's a free tool. If you don't have install, then install it. Search 3U tools and download, then install it on your computer. And after open, go to the toolbox option on the dashboard, and then you can see the erase all data, and then select the device, erase all data, and now accept the terms and condition and erase. So our phone is now resetting. So there also takes some time, like 3-4 minutes takes to rebooting the iPad, and then we are going to the setup process. So wait some time here. And if you face any issue, you can contact with us on WhatsApp, and our WhatsApp number and our website link all are, you can check on the description, you will find it. So for any service you can contact with us directly, and we are waiting to give you the support. So we are almost closing to open the phone. This method is not only for iPad. If you have iPhone, the same way you can do the work. So our phone is now opened, and now I hit the home button to set up. So select the language. I think every Apple user, yeah, can understand how to set up after reset the iPad or iPhone. It's very simple process. So I select the country and then continue. Now I have to connect the Wi-Fi. I skip my password and connect. So it's activating now. Yeah, that's done. There is not asking the iCloud account. That's mean it's removed. Now just to set up it. If you try to, you can add the Touch ID. You can enter the password. I just skip it. I will set up it later. And now, so done. So our Apple account is removed without knowing the password, and now you can put your new Apple account. It's removed, so you can sign it manually, and that's it. So thanks for watching. See you on the next video. Till then, take care. Tada.